Hello kids, I'm Priyanka and I'm back again with my new chapter Tenali Paint a Horse. Tenali Raman was a poet and gesture at the court of King Krishnadevaraya of Vijayanagar. He was famous for his wit and intelligence. This interesting play provides an example of his wit. Read the drama and answer it. One day, Raja Krishnadevaraya and his courtiers watched an artist show his painting of the king. The king and the most of his courtiers were impressed with the painting. However, one of the courtiers, Tenali Raman, looked displeased. Raja, that is really a beautiful painting. I can almost feel the piece of the village scene. You are a very talented artist. Here is a big bag of gold for you. We shall be very pleased if you can stay on at our court and make more beautiful painting like this. Artist, your highness is very kind. It will be an honor to paint for your majesty. Tenali, I don't think they are such a good painting at all. Raja, how can you say that? I think they are perfectly lovely. Tenali, one thing, there is the other side of the two men's. You can only see their one side. For another, there is where is the face of the cow? Where is what an ignorant fool you are. Everything cannot be painted. You must imagine the bits that are missing. I bet I can paint better than that. Well, I could if I had a paint. Raja, I bet a bag of gold that you can't. I'll give you a paint and a paper. You will maybe also take leave from the court for a month. If at the end of the month you'll bring me a painting that is half as good as the ones we saw today, I'll promise to give you a bag of gold and title the King of Artists. I agree. After a month, I will show you better painting than that one. First courtier, you are really caught him. Sir, he thinks he is the smartest person in the world. He has really painted himself into the corner. I would like to see him get out of that one. Raja, I wouldn't not be too certain for that. He is very clever. Raja, so what do you do today? First courtier, sir, the day has arrived when Tenali Raman show his painting. Where is he? It's late and almost time for lunch. Perhaps he is busy with his painting and he has lost track on the days. Perhaps his painting is so good that he cannot bear to part for it. Well, I can't wait anymore. Somebody should go to his house and tell him that he has lost his bed and bag of gold. It's only fair that he doesn't make good his boast. He should pay a penalty. I'll feel him. He should pay the coat of bag of gold. Instead, yes, I agree, sir, that he should. Ah, there is. He seems he had bought it, but it's covered with cloth. Tenali, good afternoon, sir. See the beautiful horse I have drawn. It is magnifying black stallion with white stars in the forehead. Look at the polished leather of the saddle. I wonder if I could have a reins trail like that. Raja, what is this? I cannot see the horse. This is very insulting. You are trying to make fool of me. There is nothing in this canvas. Tenali, well, you were the one who told me that we had use of imagination. When we looked at the painting, imagine that the rest of the horse is outside the canvas, grazing at some bushes, green grasses. Look, you can see the edge of its tail at the corner. You old rascal, you have got the better of me. Minister, where is that bag of gold? Give it to the Nalaraman, the cleverest man in my kingdom. Thank you.